Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the.
Hi amazing people, I hope you're very happy, enjoying your life, and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. And in today's video I'm going to teach you the countings in French language, and I will try to make sure that I can teach you from 1 to 50. So you have to pay attention, and whatever I will speak in a easy way so that you can understand the accent and the pronunciation, and countings you can see on the screen. So what I'll do is that I will start with first to 10, then 10 to 20. That's how I will do that so that easily you can understand. So now without wasting further time, let's get started. So let me start by 1 to 10. So first we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's the sound and pronunciation. I will repeat once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Voila. So these are the countings from 1 to 10. Now let me start with 11 to 20. So 11 we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these are the countings from 11 to 20. I repeat one more time. 11 we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these are the countings from 11 to 20. Now let me start with 21st till 30. 21 we call 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30. That means 30. Now I repeat again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 21st, 21 to 30. And now let me tell you the countings from 31 to 40. So 31 we call 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I repeat one more time. 31 we call it 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So now I start from 41 till 50, the countings. So 41 we call it 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 means 50. I repeat one more time. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So these are the countings from 1 to 50. I think it's very important for you now to practice and memorize, because very easy once you start, then you can get the confidence. But for me it's like, because everybody has to learn the language, everybody has to go through with all the process just like I did, and I'm just sharing my experience so that I can make it easy for you to understand and to memorize and to use in your life. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So these are the countings. So if you have any question, you can write down in the comment box and we can help you. And if you have questions, you can also follow us on the Instagram. So on Instagram, you can ask your questions. And if you want to learn French language, so obviously we can help you because we speak this language, so we can surely help everybody who wants to learn French language. So thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck and take care.